One look, the heat is rising, and I've been cold for so long. One touch and we're igniting, setting fire to it all.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia, and if today is your first time seeing this channel, if today is your first time in this channel, please, you're welcome. Like I said, my name is Olivia. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell in order to be notified anytime I post a new video. Yes, I love you. Thanks for your support. So guys, like I said, in today's video I will be showing you how I got this beautiful look you're seeing on me. Yes guys, it's really beautiful, like beautiful. So I'll be showing you guys how I installed my faux locks. Yeah, this is supposed to be a crochet locks or crochet braids, but I made it an individual crochet. Yeah, so if you like to see how I achieve this look, please stay tuned, and I love you. Hi guys, I've already, to start my hair, I've already braided my hair. I don't know what this braid pattern is called, flat twist or what. No, not flat twist. Yeah, anyway, I've braided my hair like this, and now I'm just applying my aloe vera coconut oil to my scalp in order to keep it fresh. Yeah, so the hair I will be working with is a hair I got from AliExpress, a Faux Locs crochet hair I got from AliExpress, and I got 3 packs, and in each of the packs they have 24 strands in each of them. So now I just slide my crochet needle through my braid, and then I'll just hook the Faux Locs, the crochet hair, and pull that through with my own hair. Yeah, with my braids. Yeah, I just pull that through, and now I'll just pull my hair together with it, as you see me do.
And I've been cold for so long.
So for this hair, I tried to see if it would be possible for me to do the wrapping method, which I've seen some people do. So I tried it out, but unfortunately it didn't work well for me, like you see me do. Always make sure you tighten that up, yeah, in order not to leave the roots looking boggy, and you know what that means. So as you see me do here, I'm trying to do the wrapping method, which I see people do, and I love it, but for me it didn't work for me. But yeah. And this it depends. I think this is good. Is good for people with longer hair. Yeah. It would be nice and beautiful for people with longer hair. Like as you see, my hair is short, so by the time I finish wrapping that, I just noticed that my hair was like, everything was, my braids were outside. Like if you can see through that, you see, I was unable to like wrap that properly, so I just continued with the crochet needle method. How do I say? So I just had to like use my crochet needle, insert that through the Faux Locs, and then hook my braid, and then pull that through. Yeah, this is why I choose the bigger crochet needle and the small one. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. The small crochet needle, I use this one in order for me to like use it to tuck in my braids. Yeah. Yeah, so as you can see, the tucking method is easier and much better than the wrapping method. So we'll just continue to do the same thing. At this point, I won't be wrapping anything. I will just continue with my tucking method. You can see me do. So, but guys, as you continue to watch, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, girl. Subscribe, support your babe. Come on, subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of my uploads, you know. Come on, we need to save some cash, and to do that we need to learn one or two things. If you are a fan of rubbing cream, like if you're a fan of organic cream, go online, check out how to make your own organic cream. If you're a fan of hair like me, I love looking beautiful from my head. Yeah, so I love changing my hair, like, you know, just the same way you change your clothes. So if you subscribe to my channel, you will never be disappointed if you are a fan of hair. Yeah. So guys, we are just still doing the same thing. Nothing different, you know. As you can see, guys, I've really gone far with this hair, believe me. And the whole process took me, I think, like 1 hour, if I'm not mistaken, just to install the faux locs, because already I've braided my hair. So the installation took me like 1 hour. Yeah. So, and that was not much time, you know. So, yeah. And to say, in total, I have a total of 64 braids. Like I said, they all came in 24 strands in each pack. So I ended up using just 64 strands, like 64 braids. Yeah, which is not so big, like burgy, and also not so scanty. I love it. It looks much more natural. You can see how beautiful this is looking. So at this point, I just went ahead to like accessorize my hair. Please guys, help me with that English, it's too big for me. So I just went in to like accessorize my hair by adding some hair jewelries and some cowries. I love when I do this kind of hairstyles. I don't do this without adding my cowries to my hair, because it makes like, it brings the real, I don't know, how do I say it? So I love it. So I just went ahead to like add some cowries to my hair, and also with some hair jewelries, which it came out beautiful. Look at that, guys. You can style it anyhow you want. This is what I love most about the individual crochet. Voila. So guys, as you can see, this is my finished look, the finished look of my hair. Look how beautiful this is. I just went off camera, like you see now I'm looking all beautiful and gorgeous. Oh babe, final. Oh yes. So guys, thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Support me by commenting, you know, tell me what you like and what you don't like. And till next time, see you. I love you. Bye.
This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think that